We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.